Good morning, all of you. Today I am going to start a new chapter that is triangle. And in class 10th, triangle chapter is mainly based on the similarity property. So now I'm going to tell you the concept of similarity. Any two line segment, because line segments are straight, so any two line segments are similar, means they are similar in looking. Any two circles are similar whether it has any radius. If suppose a circle of radius 2 centimeter and a circle of radius 4 centimeter, both are similar. In the same way, any two square is also similar. Any two equilateral triangle of any size are similar. Any two right angle triangle are also similar. In general, I can say कि my two hands are congruent, whereas your hand and my hand are similar because both have the same shape but different size. I too have a 5 fingers, you too have a 5 fingers. Both are similar in shape but have different size. So my two hands are congruent. Somehow they are congruent, but your hand and my hand are similar. In this chapter, we have to mainly go through the similarity of the triangles. So, the first and the most important theorem of this chapter is the BPT theorem, that is basic proportionality theorem. This is also known as Thal's theorem. Now, the statement of this theorem is if a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersecting the other two sides, then it divides the two sides in the same ratio. So we have a triangle in which we have a line segment which join one side of a triangle to the other side of a triangle, and this line is parallel to the third side. That means DE is parallel to BC. It's given in the question. We have to prove that this line divides this side AB and AC in the same ratio. So I can write here, it's given in the question that in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. And what we have to prove? We have to prove that AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. Now, I am going to do some construction in this question. The construction will be, I am going to make a line which is perpendicular from E on AD. Let it be X. And I am going to make another line which is perpendicular on AE from D. Let it be Y. So, I had done a construction. The construction is, and I joined DC and EB also. I joined DC as well as BE also. The construction I had done is EX perpendicular on AD and DY perpendicular on AE is drawn. Now I am going to take this triangle. Suppose we have a triangle, this one. Now I'm going to find the area of the triangle, this small one. The area of this triangle, if we have a perpendicular line from E on AD, then the area of this triangle will be equal to, we have to find the ratio. So I will start with taking the ratio. So I am going to write area of triangle ADE by area of triangle. We want DB. So DB will be in this triangle. So I am going to take triangle DEB. 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 Now, area of triangle ADB, that means this small triangle, will be equal to half into base. Our base is, this is AD, into the height. Height is EX. Now I am going to find the area of this triangle. Another one, this one. The area shaded by the pencil. I have to find the area of this triangle. So the area of this triangle will be half into base into height. Now the base will be BD and height is EX, because this is the perpendicular line which is perpendicular to the base, that is BD when produced. So I will write here half into BD into EX. Now EX and EX get cancelled, half and half get cancelled, and we get here AD by BD. Let it be equation 1. Now, next one. Now again I am going to take the same triangle but from the next side. I have to find the area of this triangle. This is A, D, E, B, C. I have to find the area of this triangle. So the area of triangle ABD, ADE by area of triangle, I'm going to take this triangle, this side, DEC. This is equals to area of triangle ADE is half into base. Right now our base is this one AE, because the perpendicular stand or perpendicular DE stand on AE. So our base is AE and perpendicular is DY. I will write here AE into DY. Half into, I have to find the area of this shaded region. Now the area of this triangle will be equal to half into, our base is EC, because when I will produce EC, dy will stand on EC. Our perpendicular will be dy and our base will be EC. So EC into dy. Now I will cancel dy and dy. I will cancel half and half. So I will get here AE by EC. This is equation 2. From equation 1 and equation 2, we are getting that the numerator is same. In both equation 1 and 2, the numerator is area of triangle ADE. But in the denominator, in equation 1, we have BDE, and in equation 2, we have DEC. So, have a look to this one. ADE and BC. In equation 1, we have this triangle, and equation 2, we have this triangle. So if we will make the area of these two triangles equal, then our equation 1 and equation 2 will become equal, and we will get AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. Now these two triangles lie on the same base. Suppose this is the base for triangle BDE, as well as this is the base for triangle DEC. So I can say कि these two triangles, since triangle BDE and triangle CDE lie on same base, and the base is same base DE, both lie on the same base DE, and it's given in the question ki DE is parallel to BC. So they both lie on same base DE, and between the same parallel lines, between the same parallel lines, that is DE parallel to BC. And in class 9th we have gone through this theorem that if two triangles lie on the same base having between same two parallel lines, then the area of these two triangles will be equal. We had done this theorem in class 9. So I can say here ki area of triangle BDE is equals to area of triangle CDE. Let it be equation 3. So from 1, 2 and 3 we are getting from equation 1, from equation 2 and equation 3. If I am going to combine all these equation, I will get here that AD by DB is equals to AE by EC. This is our theorem. This is our BPT theorem. So I request you to go through this theorem and please write down 2-3 times so that you can recall it anytime. In the next session, I will go with the converse of BPT theorem as well some question based on this theorem. Thank you.